Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Due to a little misty drizzle, a mizzle, we're going to be starting inside and then taking a quick walk around. But this is the 2019 Porsche Cayenne S. This one here has about $20,000 in options. Once I walk around the outside, I'll pull out my phone, have a copy of the build sheet, and we can go through all of that. But without further ado, I'm going to go ahead, press unlock, get out. So absolutely sweet build, adaptive cruise. It does have paint protection film on the front bumper, the fenders, the hood. Oh, even looks like even the A-pillar might even have some, but definitely the mirrors. Very, very nice build. And I was like, oh, Cayenne S, is it a worthy difference? I've spent a lot of time in our base Cayenne, and I was like, oh, I don't know, is it a worthy addition to spend the extra money? On the used market, it makes next to no difference, but for new, it does make a pretty big difference. So this is Cayenne S, jet black metallic over slate gray. This one has Premium Package Plus, the LED Matrix Porsche Dynamic Light System Plus, Comfort Access, Bose Surround System, ambient lighting, front and rear seat heating, lane change assist, seat ventilation up front, auto dimming mirrors, 4-zone climate control, the 14-way adjustable seats, the trailer hitch, side window trim in high gloss black, thermally and noise insulated glass for $1,100, sport chrono backpack for $1,100, $950 for the sport tailpipes in black, $4,500 wheel options for the Cayenne turbo wheels. Wow, okay, and wheel arch extensions and exterior color. Okay, that makes sense. $840 for clear taillights, $2,000 for adaptive cruise control, $450 for the power rear side windows, and Porsche crest on the front headrest is $290. So Porsche options, also Premium Pack Plus is the most expensive option at $7,300. So Porsche options are up there, but not outrageous. This features the 2.9 liter V6, very, very similar, if not the exact same motor that is in the Macan GTS. This one hasn't been detailed yet because we're not sure if we're keeping it or not. I'm gonna try to fight to keep this thing for the lot because this thing is absolutely amazing. Heated seats, cooled seats. You'll notice there's no sport button here because this one has it up on the wheel. You also have a button to press for sports response. It's going to put everything on edge. We'll make sure to try that out. Not a PDK. This is a torque converter auto, but it's one of the best torque converter autos out there. I want to say it's 414 horsepower, 406 pound-feet of torque. I think there might be a little bit more power, but it's in the fours by a pretty safe margin. Without further ado, put the thing in drive. We are in Sport Plus. You have to keep your eye on the speedo on this thing. All German cars are like that. But here's the thing with the Cayenne S over the base Cayenne. Everything is sharper. Way sharper. The base Cayenne's a great car. This one's greater. So I'll go ahead, put this thing in sport response for 20 seconds. That is just such a cool button. 20 seconds of peak power output, peak transmission tuning, and then it automatically shuts itself off. That is just awesome. Steering, okay, this car is very heavy. It's the biggest Porsche they make. But steering has so much feedback for what this thing is. There's a great weight to it. I can really start to feel, I mean, it's not a 911 GT3 RS, but I can really start to feel those front wheels when they start letting go. There's a great amount of weight to the feedback, or weight for the controls. Throttle pedal is nice and heavy. Brake pedal, tons of great feel. And I was a little nervous about this not having a PDK. I'm like, yeah, PDK is the best around for automatics. Yeah, no, this is fine. As a matter of fact, PDK at low speeds is one of the best dual clutches, but it's a dual clutch. It's going to be herky-jerky at low speeds. That is in a dual clutch's character. So this, being a torque converter, has none of that. I do want to say this is a completely different engine than what's in the base Cayenne. I want to say the base Cayenne has a 3-liter 6. Twin turbo, of course, but I don't know, guys. This thing is pretty good. It's definitely one of my favorite SUVs I've driven. It's a good car. And the thing is, and this is what I kind of love about Porsche, is it's not in your face about branding. You know, some of the GT3s will have like RS and the gauges, stuff like that, but it's not over the top. Everything is just like, yeah, you have a Cayenne S, you kind of know it by looking at them and maybe the rear badging, but it's not gonna be like Cayenne S, Cayenne S, Cayenne S. I'm sure you can do options like that though. Porsches are very subtle in how they go about everything, and that's one of my favorite things about them is they're very subtle, but they're very good. With that being said, I want to spend some alone time with this thing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.